Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says let A is a periodic matrix with period 3. Okay, so given that A is a periodic matrix with period as 3, so can I say that, sir, A power 4 will be equal to A? Okay, do you remember A power k equals to A? Then period becomes what? Period becomes k minus 1. So here period is this 3. So this would be one more than that period. So it is 4. Okay, now they have given that A power 6 plus B is equal to identity matrix, and they are interested in finding AB. So AB, when we will get AB? If we will multiply, if we will pre-multiply A both side, okay, then we will get AB. So let's pre-multiply both side by A. So A power 6 plus B, and this A times identity will become A. So here we got A power 7 plus AB equals A. Now you know that we will get A power, this is A power 7. So look at this. A power 4 is what? A. So can I write, sir, A power 3 into A power 4, and this A power 4 will be written as A, and this thing will become what? A power 4 again. So it will become A plus AB equals A. Now this thing gone. So can I say that AB equals to 0 and we are done? Okay, we need to prove AB equals to 0 and we did it. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.